Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. Okay, so I am really excited about this collaboration today because it is called Wedding Centerpiece Ideas for Your Special Day. This is Wedding Wednesday collaboration, and that's being hosted by Creations by Simone. Now, the co-host of this collab is Event Decor and Designs by Alicia. Love My Babies Forever, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's me. So I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see how we create a centerpiece for Wedding Wednesday. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now, I have to say that ever since I was a little girl, I absolutely love weddings. I love the dress, from the cake to the bling and the little flower girl, you name it, everything about weddings I absolutely love. So this centerpiece is real special to me. Now, you're going to be surprised by some of the items that I'm using to make this centerpiece and how inexpensive and budget friendly it is. So most of the items that I'm using to create this craft is from the Dollar Tree. Okay, now let's head on over to this video before we get too far ahead. So what I did is I grabbed 2 of the napkin holders from the Dollar Tree and then placed them opposite each other, and then we zip tied that together. What I'm doing is taking 2 of the round foam discs, and they come 2 in a pack for $1.25. One will be at the bottom and then one will be at the top, and that's what you see me doing here. And I am using a little bit of the permanent glue. Remember that when you're using permanent glue, you want to be in a well-ventilated area, and you want to allow 24 to 48 hours of drying time. I'm also using hot glue so that we have an instant stick so we can continue working on this. Now, as I set that over to the side just to give it some time to dry, I'm going to start cutting out some strips of this bling wrap that I purchased from BB Crafts. Now here what I'm doing is I'm placing some bling wrap on the bottom part of that centerpiece foam, because even though it'll be standing up and there'll be florals around it, you'll still be able to see it. So we're going to go ahead and decorate that. Now, once we get done with that bling wrap, we're going to stand this up, and then we're going to start dangling some of the bling chain and some bling wrap that I purchased from BB Crafts so that it would be dangling. You see that? And then we'll start moving on to the florals. Okay, so when I went shopping for the florals, I did know I wanted to stay with light colors, but then I stumbled over this beautiful, beautiful green color. I absolutely love it. And so we're going to start cutting these up so that we can start attaching them to the bottom part of the centerpiece and the top. Okay, so here we are. We started gluing the florals down. So while we're doing this, I just want you to know that every time you click that like button and full watch the video, you help us YouTube content creators to grow on YouTube. Oh, and also remember to comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now with the florals, I chose to go in a circular motion from the outside, working my way in. I did that on the bottom and on the top. Okay, so now I think that this centerpiece is absolutely gorgeous, especially those colors. I'm loving the colors. Now I have another part that's going to go with this centerpiece, and I can't wait to show you how I made it. Okay, so I think we're ready to head on over to part number 2. Well, so we grabbed the paper towel holders to make that centerpiece, and then I kept staring at these napkin holders, and I said, I know I can make something with this. So we're gonna go ahead and make 2 little side centerpieces to go with that center one, and this is gonna come out absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I pre-cut the flowers just to save us some time. And so what we're doing next is we are going to put a piece of a block of that foam inside of the napkin holder. And then we're going to start adding the flowers. So now remember that you can interchange the flowers according to the colors of your event. And overall, everything was budget friendly and nobody would ever be able to tell that you made this out of Dollar Tree items. And that's what I love about it the most. And I hope you guys agree. So I am absolutely in love with these. We're going to head on over to the reveal so I can show you how beautiful this came out. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank Creations by Simone for hosting this collab. Absolutely loved it. I also want to thank the co-hosts, including myself, Tamara from Love My Babies Forever, and Event Decor and Designs by Alicia. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. I think it came out gorgeous. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Now, I didn't want to forget to mention for you to head on over to that playlist and show us some love and support.